Hello guys. So you suggested that I should read J. Edgar Hoover. Said that he hated that he hated both Martin Luther King as well as Kennedy. Okay, so let's see. Let's try it out. J. Edgar Hoover. Let's begin with Martin Luther King. Okay, let's see. Did he had to do anything with Martin Luther King assassination? This J. Edgar Hoover. Okay, J. Edgar Hoover. Martin Luther King. From Edgar's perspective. Working on it. Oops. Cold. Goddamn. Card fell. No, I don't think. At least with Martin Luther King, I don't think so. Let's see, what about Kennedy? So, at least from the card's perspective, when it comes to Martin Luther King, no. He wasn't in it. Now let's see Kennedy. Edgar J. Hoover and Kennedy. Did he order to have Kennedy killed? No. No. I don't know. It's not. Yeah, so I guess it's not. At least from the cards. What I get from the cards at this point, it's a no.